Alright, everyone, welcome to another episode. Welcome back to Patois Play, where we turn words into a feast of understanding. Yeah? So today we're going to be diving into a phrase that's essential to Jamaican culture. And get ready to spice up your Patois vocabulary, because this word is Nyam. N-Y-A-M. Nyam. Let's get cooking. Alright, guys, so let's start with the basics now. So Nyam is a very popular Jamaican patois word that translates to eat. Yeah? So Nyam is another way of saying eat. That's what it means. Nyam, eat. Ready? Cool. Now, Nyam has West African roots, and it was brought over, of course, during the transatlantic slave trade. Now, it has stood the test of time. I'm sorry, and has become a staple word in the Jamaican patois vocabulary. Right? So, here in Jamaica, it's used in all sorts of contexts. It can be from just casual conversations to playfully teasing someone about something. Right? So now let's just try and get the pronunciation. So remember, the word is Nyam, not Nyam or Nyam or Nyam. It's Nyam. It's very short, it's to the point, just like that. Nyam. Done. Alright, so now let's see how you could use the word Nyam in some conversations. Let's try that. Alright, so now imagine someone has brought you a plate of food wherever you are in the world, whether it's some roti or some fried chicken or some pasta or something, whatever it is, and you look at the food and you say, "Me ready for Nyam." You got that? Me ready for Nyam. So, me ready for Nyam, which means that you're saying, I am ready to eat. I am ready to eat. That's what this is saying, I'm ready for Nyam, I am ready to eat. I am ready to eat. And that's just it. It's very simple. So, if someone asks you, "You ready for Nyam?" You say, "Yeah, man, I'm ready for Nyam." Yeah? So, you ready for Nyam? Someone asking you, "Are you ready to eat?" So, yo is, are you ready to eat? And then you say, "Yeah, man, me ready for Nyam." So you pretty much say back this part when you're responding. And yeah, it's very simple. You see that? So Nyam means eat. You ready for Nyam? Yeah, man, me ready for Nyam. And that's it. That's all there is to this word. So it's very simple and very straightforward. It's so easy. Nyam. So the next time you go into a restaurant, next time you probably order some jerk chicken. If you come out here, some jerk pork. You know? You can't just probably look, "Yo, I'm ready for Nyam some food." You know? Can't wait for Nyam down that jerk chicken, alright, I know. Yeah. Alright. So that's it. That's it for Nyam, meaning eat. Yeah. So that was it for the lesson. Thank you so much for joining. If you enjoy this type of content, please consider commenting and subscribing to the video. If there are any phrases or any words that you guys would like for me to do a simple translation and how to use it, let me know in the comments down below. Alright, until next time, wow, good.